Just wanted to demonstrate how quick and easy it is to set up your StickIt Tile Repair Injection Kit ready for your project. Whether it's the 5, the 1 or the 200, you just need to mix. So invert your bottle a couple of times if you've got the 1 or the 5. If you've got the 200, just give the bag a bit of a squeeze to make sure the adhesive is all well mixed. Now these are the accessories that come in your kit. You've got the rubber plug, you've got a 2mm carbide drill bit, and you've got your injection needle. So the injection needle attaches very easily. You remove the clear cap on the back, take the needle, push it over the middle of the lure and twist clockwise. That's now secure. Lift to remove the cover. Then you take the rubber plug and you very gently push that through. There's a hole in the back of the plug, and if you push that through, you'll find your needle point will actually push through the end of your plug. Just be careful not to spike yourself. But what that allows you to do is to create a nice tight seal. So the needle drills a hole which is 2mm. This is 1.6mm needle, and by putting your thumb and finger on the plug, you can push down and create a nice tight seal around your injection point so that your adhesive flows in under pressure into all of those nooks and crannies. So when you've finished, you can basically take that rubber plug off the needle. You take your cap, you place it back over, twist anti-clockwise to remove it. Just make sure you wash that well under a tap so that you don't let the adhesive dry. And then if you're using the mini kit, you can twist the original cap back on. If you're using the 1 or the 5 litre, you just basically place that rubber plug over the top and you can store that. There's no need to wash everything up. You can basically leave it like this. Just untwist the neck to relieve the pressure that's in the bottle and you're ready to go. So when you're actually injecting, the way to do it with the 5 or the 1, you pump to generate pressure, and when you're working with the smaller kit, you would roll that up like a tube of toothpaste and you squeeze that to generate the pressure to push it in. So there you have it, very, very easy to set up and use. You can be up and going in no time, easy to do the job yourself, and the kit contains all of the accessories that you need to do the job. StickIt Tile Repair Injection Kit.